Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear, the greatest cooking show on YouTube, if I do say so myself. Today we're going to be making grilled marinated steak with a side of green beans with bacon and feta cheese. Sounds really good to me, hope it sounds good to you. So just sit back, relax, and let me do the cooking. Alright y'all, I've got the grill all warmed up here, and I'll throw our steak on. Now these are just some thin New York striplets, I guess you call them. I just made up a simple marinade. It was Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, and a little garlic powder, a little pepper. So, alright. There's all our steaks on. Now I am going to throw on, I want a couple onions. Maybe not for this recipe, but for something else. And just because while I got the grill going, we're going to go ahead and cook them up. So those are some peppers, green peppers, or bell peppers. They're called bell peppers. So, alright, I'm just going to close the lid here and let these things cook up, and we'll be done here in no time at all. Alright y'all, it's been about 5 minutes or so. I'm just going to flip these over. These steaks won't take very long to cook at all, since they're so thin. Ooh, our peppers are looking good. Oh yeah. Oop. Oh yeah, our onions are looking good. Oh yeah. Alright. I'm going to finish cooking these out, and then we'll take everything in the kitchen and we'll get them green beans and stuff going. Alright y'all, I'm going to start out here. Get our frying pan ready. I got about 6 strips of thick cut bacon, but just regular bacon, hickory smoked bacon. We're going to get that in there, get it kind of rendering down, because we need the bacon and we need a little bit of the grease from it. So I'm going to get this cooking here, and once we get that going, we'll bring you back. Alright y'all, we got the bacon's just about done here. So I'm going to pull that out of the pan. Set that off to the side. See if we can get it all out of there, maybe, hopefully. Alright. Got that all out of there. Now we're going to take and dump most of the grease that's in there out. We want to reserve just a little bit there in the pan. Alright. Now we got some of that grilled onion. Throw that in there. And we got some minced garlic. I'm going to throw a little spoonful of that in there. Get that kind of mixed around. Get it down to some of that bacon grease there. Kind of scrape the bottom of the pan with that liquid there and get all that goodness out of the bottom of that pan. Oh yeah, get that all coated. Oh, it takes just a few there. And then we're going to add our green beans. Now these are frozen, fresh frozen green beans. I like these. You can use canned. You can actually use fresh ones. Now I did microwave those to kind of bring them up to a little bit of temperature there. I'm gonna add just a little bit of this bacon grease back in, just to coat the stuff. So, all right, y'all. Sorry about that. Battery went dead, but I grabbed another one real quick. So we're just gonna mix those up, get them good and warm there. Get them shaking around there. So let them cook like that for a few minutes, and then we'll add our bacon back in. So hang on. All right, y'all. Got them beans all good and coated and warmed up and everything. Gonna add our bacon back in there. Get that all stirred up in there. And then we're going to add some feta cheese now. Alright, there's our feta. Get that mixed in there. Now it's going to kind of melt down some there, but never fear, it will be delicious, trust me. Alright. Alright, I think we're ready to plate, y'all. So let me get this all ready to go, and we'll get it plated up and we'll do a little taste test. Alright, y'all, it's taste test time. So we're going to start out that steak. That's some good tender steak. Now, some of them green beans and feta cheese and that is delicious, y'all. I can make a meal of that myself, just by itself. Very, very good. My compliments to the chef. Thank you. Well, today's beverage of the day, I'm doing some iced tea. Alright, y'all. Hope you enjoyed this one. Hope you guys are learning that a low carb diet can be a delicious diet. You know, low carb meals, they don't have to be bland, they don't have to be, you know, whatever. They can be delicious as always, you know. So, appreciate y'all. If you're not subscribed, I suggest you do subscribe and catch what we're next videos that we're putting out. And if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up. And don't forget about the Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Come on in, hang out. We talk about the tractor pulling, we talk about small engine stuff, talk about the cooking stuff, you know, whatever. It's just kind of a general chat, you know, just for me to get a way to get to know y'all, and you know, and y'all to get to know me a little better. So appreciate it, love y'all, and as always, bon appetit.